Diesel engines are known for durability and long life, but they can be destroyed or severely damaged by specific problems or poor maintenance practices. Here's a breakdown of things that can destroy a diesel engine. 1. Lack of regular oil changes. Not servicing your car at correct interval can destroy your diesel engine by allowing dirty oil and clogged oil filters to cause internal wear and damage over time. 2. Using contaminated diesel fuel, which may contain water, dirt, or algae, damages fuel injectors and fuel pumps, leading to poor performance and engine failure. 3. Over-revving or engine overspeed. Revving your engine too high or to maximum all the time, or for too long, can put too much stress in the engine. This can cause premature mechanical failures, especially worn engine bearings and piston rings. 4. Running with low or no oil quickly destroys engine bearings, the crankshaft, camshaft, turbo, and vacuum pump due to lack of lubrication. 5. Allowing dust or dirt into the engine. Not changing air filter or not fitting the intake parts properly can allow dust and dirt into the engine, which wears out cylinder walls and pistons, causing loss of compression and power. 6. Frequent overheating, often due to old or low coolant levels, or a faulty cooling system, can warp the cylinder head, blow the head gasket, or even seize the engine. 7. Starting the engine in freezing temperatures and revving stresses components and can cause poor combustion or internal scoring. 8. Shutting down a hot engine too quickly, especially a turbocharged one, can cause oil coking in the turbo and shorten engine life.